Are you looking for the best ladders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ladders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rubbermaid 3-Step Aluminum Step Stool. Of all the ladders we tested, we were most impressed with the performance of the Rubbermaid 3-Step Aluminum Step Stool. We think it would be suitable for most homeowners because it is lightweight yet sturdy. The ladder is surprisingly affordable, especially considering its handy features that we found to be useful for home improvement projects. We love the large magnetized tray that is attached to the ladder, which is big enough to hold a can of paint and several tools. It also includes a paper towel holder that is attached to the tray, which is ideal for quick cleanups while painting. Made with aluminum, the ladder is very lightweight and portable. We thought it was easy to carry around when it was folded up. Despite its lightweight design, the ladder was sturdy and didn't wobble even when we were on the highest step. It has a Type 1 duty rating, meaning it can hold up to 250 pounds. Since it's only 5 feet in height, the ladder is best for projects that don't require you to reach very far. During at-home testing, we used this ladder several times a week for tasks around the house like hanging up curtains or watering plants. We also used it outdoors to mount outdoor solar lights on the side of our house and garage, and it even felt secure on uneven ground. Product details: ladder type, step ladder, ladder height, 5 feet, duty rating, Type 1, weight capacity, 250 pounds, material, aluminum. Number 2. Delxo 3-Step Folding Step Stool Ladder. If you need a basic ladder to use around the house, we recommend the Delxo 3-Step Folding Step Stool Ladder. We thought it was just the right height for changing light bulbs or reaching high shelves in your home. Weighing less than 10 pounds, the ladder is very lightweight, so it's easy to carry around the house. Folding and unfolding the ladder is also a breeze, and it folds down small enough to fit in tight spaces for storage. It's also the most affordable ladder we tested, and it can support a surprising 330 pounds despite its small size. The top of the ladder has a tall handrail that leaves extra space for your feet and legs. Best of all, it comes fully assembled, so you can use it straight out of the box. While we like the ladder's simple design, it doesn't have any extra features like a project tray, so keep this in mind if you plan to use it for painting projects. Product details: ladder type, step ladder, ladder height, 28 inches, duty rating, not listed, weight capacity, 330 pounds, material, aluminum. Number 3. Little Giant Ladders Velocity 17-Foot Multi-Position Ladder. Aluminum ladders are ideal if you want a durable yet lightweight ladder. This aluminum option from Little Giant Ladders is 17 feet tall but weighs just 35 pounds. And it even features wheels to easily transport it from job to job. During testing, we thought the ladder was very high quality and had features to make it suitable for any project. However, aluminum is an electrical conductor, so this ladder isn't safe to use while doing electrical work. We love the adjustability of this ladder, which can be converted to an A-frame, extension, trestle and plank, 90-degree, or even a staircase ladder with ease. Since it's so adjustable, you can change the size and configuration to find the right fit for your project. With a Type 1 rating, the ladder is very sturdy and can safely support up to 300 pounds. The ladder easily supported our weight during testing, even on unleveled ground. It also includes levelers on the feet to adjust to uneven terrain. Product details: ladder type, extension ladder, A-frame ladder, 90-degree ladder, ladder height, 17 feet, duty rating, Type 1A, weight capacity, 300 pounds, material, aluminum. Number 4. DeWalt 4-Foot Fiberglass Step Ladder. DeWalt is a well-known brand you can rely on, and we thought this ladder lived up to that reputation. The 4-foot ladder has a wide and sturdy base that felt very stable and never wobbled when we used it. It also features wide, grippy feet that help keep the ladder stable on a variety of surfaces. We also appreciated the trays and holders on top of the ladder that were perfect for holding our tools while we worked. The trays on the workstation can easily hold paint cans, a paint tray, power tools, screws, and screwdrivers, so it saved us quite a few trips up and down the ladder when we used it at home. The ladder is made with fiberglass, which is a heavier material than aluminum. However, the ladder is collapsible and weighs just 15 pounds, so we still thought it was easy to carry during testing. Fiberglass is also the most sturdy option and isn't an electrical conductor, so you can safely use it for electrical work. Product details: ladder type, step ladder, ladder height, 4 feet, duty rating, type 1A, weight capacity, 300 pounds, material, fiberglass. Number 5. Louisville 16-foot fiberglass extension ladder. Extension ladders are the best options for working outside of your house, whether you're trimming tree branches, washing windows, or hanging up Christmas lights. We found the Louisville 16-foot fiberglass extension ladder to be the sturdiest option, and it extends easily to reach up high. While we tested the 16-foot option, the ladder is available in 7 different sizes that range from 16 to 40 feet. If your house is particularly tall or you need to reach extreme heights, this ladder has you covered. We thought it was easy to extend the ladder and change its height to work on different tasks. The ladder is made with fiberglass rather than aluminum, so it's safe to use while doing electrical work. With a Type 1A duty rating, the ladder can comfortably support up to 300 pounds. We thought the ladder was surprisingly lightweight for its size, weighing just 30 pounds. Since the ladder is so tall, it takes up a bit of space and may be difficult to store, but this is true of any extension ladder. Product details: ladder type, extension ladder, ladder height, 16 to 40 feet, duty rating, type 1A, weight capacity, 300 pounds, material, fiberglass.